Mitosis. You know it. Your cells will be splitting every single day. And I think on mitosis that comes on waves. The time in between is called interphase. There comes a G1 as energy to phase. First in G1 the cell grows for repairing, then its chromosomes start duplicating. In G2 the cells finishes expanding. Now it's time for mitosis to finally happen. Those steps must occur in that exact order. Each step needs the space from the one that comes before. If a cell does it wrong, it straight up and blows it. It missed the checkpoint, which means it cannot do mitosis. Some people don't know the difference between chromosomes and this thing called chromatin. Let us not forget individual chromatids. Let me explain to each of you why these things are all important. First, let me show the things that make up each chromosome. They can be a single strand of DNA, or two strands combined into an X shape. Hey! And the two parts of that shape are called chromatins, and they are held in their place by a centromere that can't be defaced. If you get them mixed up, then you'll be disgraced. The final part is called chromatin. That's the jumbled mess of chromosomes that's held within the center of a nucleus. That is where it's been, but then it separates once mitosis begins. Mitosis. You know it. Let's show it. Now blow it. Step 1 per phase, the X's are made along with centers and fibers, and the nucleus disintegrates. Step 2, metaphase. The X's line up in the cell's middle and then connect to the microtubular spindle. Step 3, anaphase. The sides of the X all split into two, then pulled to either sides by motor proteins. That's what they do. Step 4, telophase. It's every part of all of the cells at the same time. Reformation, fellowship of the cell parts, return of the nucleus and the two sides. The cell is split down the middle by a crease. Yes, now it's the big one. It's finally in time for step 5, cytokinesis. The chromosomes return to normal to become chromatin. The cell finally splits into two cells that are identical to each other, and also the one that came before them. Then it's time to return to the phase that is into DNA. 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 What happens if something goes wrong? A cell misses its checkpoints but continues on. You got cancer, son, oh boy. That means that crazy unworking cells continue to replicate and grow throughout your tissue and spread throughout your veins. We don't know why exactly each of these happen, but lucky for us, we do know why there are the two different kinds, benign and malignant. Fine tumors separate from tissue and grow to a certain amount in just one spot. Malignant grow and spread and kill throughout your tissue that they will not stop. If it's benign, it's easily removed from your tissue. But if it's malignant, when you try to remove it, you may have an issue. DNA. 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 DNA.